Alright guys, we're going to do a grocery haul today. I haven't really recorded anything lately because of, you know, everything that's been going on. And I want to thank everybody for all their kind words and all their wonderful posts, you know, from the tornado. But like I said, it did not hit our house, and we're so thankful for that. But the devastation is unbelievable. If I get up that way today, I'm going to go ahead and try to film some more pictures of you, because you really need to just get the gist of it. It's just, it's horrific. It's horrific. First thing I got here was some pickled bologna. My son Nick loves this stuff, and he couldn't find it at Kroger's the other day, so I got it for him. I'm going to surprise him with it. I ought to wrap it up and give it to him for Christmas, shouldn't I? Didn't get a whole lot today. I've been spending a lot of money lately at the grocery store. I could probably have my house paid off in 2 years. I haven't spent so much money at the grocery store. Are you going somewhere?
Yeah, I'm gonna wash your food and stuff with chocolate.
I got some Oreos because Olivia asked me yesterday if we had any Oreos. She was wanting them. She's not been feeling good. She's been having a lot of neck pain, so not sure what's going on with that. So I got her some Oreos. I got some petite diced tomatoes because I'm going to make some spaghetti sauce. Some tomato sauce, some crushed tomatoes. I don't know if we're going to have spaghetti today, tomorrow. I might just eat out today. I don't know. Got some cans of fruit because I'm going to make a fruit salad. Got the tropical passion, some mandarin oranges, a couple cans of the fruit cocktail, a can of pears, another can of fruit cocktail, another can of tomato sauce, I had to get up and under that counter to get this ham and cheese loaf, some ham and cheese loaf because the hubby likes that. I got some cherries to go on my fruit salad. I got a loaf of zesty garlic bread. I'm not doing a lot of cooking this weekend, so I'm doing the easy way. Some thin spaghetti. I got some Donut Shop Essential Keurig hot coffee, the medium. This stuff is really good. I don't normally like generic coffee, but that's good. I like it. And then I got a pound of ground chuck because, like I said, I'm going to make some spaghetti sauce. Ibuprofen. Got a dog's big bag of the Caesar filet mignon dog food because somebody keeps forgetting to order it.
Whoops.
I'm not throwing any shade there. Got some blueberries to go in my fruit salad, and I got a couple apples. These looked really good. I'm going to slice them up and put them in my fruit salad. And I put my tomatoes in with this canned food. It makes me mad. I got a couple of the On the Vine ripe tomatoes. Of course, they're not as good as the garden, but you know, they'll do. They'll do for sandwiches if you want sandwiches, or you know, salads, anything like that. I always like to keep tomatoes on hand. I always have tomatoes on my counter. I got some bologna, Conn's bologna, the only bologna.
Be back in a few minutes.
All right. And I got some old-fashioned loaf. We love this stuff. I got it out of the deli. It's so good.
Just leave this door open.
Huh?
I'm gonna leave the door open.
All right. Got some pineapple chunks to go in my fruit salad. I got a block of the Parmesan cheese because we like the fresh Parmesan. They like it. Not really sure what's going on with that, but I got a block of the fresh Parmesan cheese. Daddy will be back soon. The dogs go crazy when my husband is off on the weekends. They do not rest when he is not home. It's like pacing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. They're like children. It's unbelievable. I told him he should just, you know, I don't know. It's just crazy. I'm not going to tell you what I told you he should do. But anyway, I love this cheese. I don't love this cheese. They love this cheese. I like the powdered stuff. You know, I'm easy. And got a thing of lettuce. Actually, they have the lettuce on sale for $1.38, which is, that's on sale. That's ridiculous. I mean, I pay like $2 a head for a head of lettuce. Just got a bag of onions. I got a loaf of bread. And a loaf of the Klosterman dark rye. We love this stuff. I can't even tell you how much we love this stuff. Love it, love it, love it. It's funny, I got 2 loaves of bread sitting up there. I buy fresh bread every week because, you know, I want my family to have fresh bread. And that bread has been up there for a week. It's still fresh, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw it out to the birds because I always buy a loaf of fresh bread. It doesn't matter how much bread we have. I always buy fresh bread. Hello? No, I've got everything I need to get. $27 store for. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Yeah, I can hear you. No, I don't know how I do that. I don't know how I do that. I always do that. But good thing I wasn't sitting on the toilet, I guess, huh?
You did it again.
Damn. I don't know how I keep doing that. You're the only person I do it to. Yeah, I see you. Say hello.
Hello.
See, he can't leave me for 2 seconds. Oh, no, I don't need anything from there.
Alright, I don't know if I'm stopping or not, but if
See, he can't leave me for 2 seconds. He's got to be calling me.
I'd be in stock at one tuna packs or whatever, chicken or tuna or whatever.
Oh, well, yeah, they're cheaper at the dollar store. They're cheaper at the dollar store.
Is that other dollar store still open?
In Brookville?
No, the one over by where the grocery store used to be. By where Casanos was.
In New
It's
Lebanon?
like a junk store.
Oh, yeah, it's still open.
It is?
Yeah, they've rearranged that. It's really not, I mean, it's really nice.
I'll head run to that one, see if they got anything different. Alright, I'll be at O'Reilly's in a minute.
All right, bye.
Bye.
And I got some Solo cups because you guys know I like to drink my iced tea from a Solo cup. I did get another gallon of water because I'm going to make some sun tea. And again, if you guys want to make that sun tea, it's so good. You just take 7 bags of the family size Louisiana tea bags, the family size, and you put it in a jug of water, a jug of, you know, a water. 99 cents is what you get. That's what I pay for it. And I stick it out in the sun for about 3.5 hours, and it is perfect. All right, let's finish this haul. That's it. That's all I got. That is all I got. So this is it for the grocery haul. I hope you'll like it.